Are you one of those who is preparing for IELTS exam? Do you worried about reading? Especially, are you puzzled about true false not given? Either it's true, false or not given. So, this video is a solution to your problem as I have gained experience after a lot of the practice. I would like to share with you. This video would be really beneficial to you if you watch it from beginning till end. So let's get started. Reading test 1. If the statement agrees with the information true, means if it's all about the lines which are given in the passage, if the statement matches with that, that is called true. False if the statement contradicts the information. It means if the statement which is given that is opposite to the statement which is given in the passage, that is false. Not given if there is no information on this. It means if there is nothing related the statement in the passage, that is called not given. So let's read it one by one, then find the answer. Number 1. Children must go to school where they are registered. Now our keywords are children must. And the next one is registered. Right? The very important point is to read the headings randomly to get an idea that what are they talking about. In that way it will be really easy to find the suitable answer. Now the top heading is your child at school today? We just need to underline it randomly. Then introduction, then what you can do to help. After this, authorized and unauthorized absence. Don't worry about to underline the keywords on computer. There is an option you can highlight the keywords. So the first one is children must go to the school where they are registered. We need an answer. It is the first one. Now this is supposed to be at the beginning of the passage. Introduction. Receiving a good full-time education will give your child the best possibility. Must and registered are the keywords now. We just need to find it out or its synonym. Must. We have found, and the word registered, this. As I have found the keywords, now I am supposed to read last one or two lines before the keywords to get a suitable answer. Now I would like to read from here. The law says that parents must ensure that their child regularly attends the school where he or she is registered. And what are they saying here? Children must go to the school where they are registered. It means it's true. We are supposed to write true here. Remember that if you just write T, F or NG in short form for true, false, not given, it would be considered wrong. You are supposed to write the full spelling. Okay, first one has been done. Now we just need to take it. Now the second one is all arrivals after the register has closed are recorded as unauthorized absences. Unauthorized is the keyword, and arrivals, all arrivals. These are our keywords. We need to match it. For this purpose, as we have done the first one paragraph, now the answer is supposed to be in second or third. Let's see. Where is the word unauthorized or all arrivals? Hmm, unauthorized here. And arrives, it matches somehow. Now just read it. Make sure your child arrives at school on time. Encourages habits of good. Here they are saying if your child arrives after the register has closed without a good reason, this will be recorded as an unauthorized absence for that session. And what are they saying here? All arrivals after the register has closed are recorded as unauthorized absences. The keywords without a good reason. Because of this, the statement is false. Now we need to write here false. Okay, now the third one is if your child is absent from school, you must send the school a letter to explain why. Now the keywords are absent and letter, a letter, right? As we have done these both of the paragraphs, the third one is supposed to be in third or fourth paragraph. If your child has to miss school, it is vital that you let the school know why, preferably on the first morning of absence. Your child's school will have an attendance policy explaining how this should be done. Can you see the letter word here? No. There is not any letter word. It means it's not given. Now we have to write not given. Okay, just mark it. Now fourth one is staff who think a child is having difficulties at school will contact the parents. Keywords are staff and difficulties, contact the parents. Let's find it. Either it's true, false, or not given. Staff difficulties, contact the parents. Okay, as we have done till here for three of the statements, now answer is supposed to be here. The word difficulties, we have got it, and contact the parents. If you know or think that your child is having difficulties attending school, you should contact the school. It is better to do this sooner rather than later, as most problems can be dealt with very quickly. Are they talking about any of the staffs that they will contact you if your child is having difficulties? No. We cannot find any of the staff word or related this statement. That's why it is supposed to be not given. Okay, take it right now. Number 5. School will contact other authorities about children who take frequent unauthorized absences. So our keywords are authorities and frequent unauthorized. So let's sort out the last statement with the help of authorities and frequent unauthorized. Okay, now okay. If your child is absent at the school, either does not receive an explanation from you or consider the explanation unsatisfactory, it will record your child's absence as unauthorized, that is as truancy. Now this one heading, can you see the word authorities, other authorities? Authorize but not authorities. Now it is not given. So write not given. I hope this video could be really helpful to you.